Hi, did you know you can now use Google Assistant to access your Instamojo dashboard? Just talk to your phone with Google Assistant application to get all your Instamojo information on the phone. Download the Google Assistant app from the Google Play Store. You can also download it on your iPhone from Apple Store. Talk to Instamojo.
Okay, here's Instamojo. Hi, to get to know you better, I just need to get your name from Google. Is that okay?
Okay.
To personalize your Instamojo experience, I need to link your Instamojo account to Google. Is that okay?
Yes.
Great, your Instamojo account is now linked to Google.
Talk to Instamojo.
Hey Rafti, you can get details about sales and payouts. What would you like to do?
Give me a list of sales.
Here is the list of sales. Please choose the serial number of the item you want to know more detail about. Details of the sale. What else would you like to do?
List of payouts.
Here is the list of payouts. Please choose the serial number of the item you want to know more detail about. Details of the payout. What else would you like to do?
That's it. Thank you. Carry your business everywhere with Instamojo on Google Assistant. Get started today.